can't wait. Your ride is nearly ready, madame. I just need to just check the wheels. Drop it. Drop. Leave.
Clean himself.
You need to get cooled down, do you? Let me tell you this. You're going to get cooled down in a moment, alright? Oh, Mr. Goodboy. Okay. Oh.
Yeah, we're going to try a little trick on Paddy. See, it's a hot dad.
Shakes around too much, didn't you? Run away before he shakes! Right, we're going to do it. Quick, get on! We gotta get out of here. There's a good boy chasing us. Oh my God, there he is. We gotta get out of here.
You see this rolling?
Dating.
We're trolling, they gotta catch me riding dirty. Gonna catch me riding dirty.
Oh no! Oh no, he must have just got. We gotta get out of here. Listen, there's no time to explain.
Shut up.
Think we can get through it without slowing down?
No.
From now on, that's how we do. See you later, loser!
Make the booty bounce on the dance floor.
Yo guys, what's up? Going to the hills. And guys, remember to like, comment something good, positive, and subscribe to Cadence TV. No, I don't want your number, no. I don't want to give you mine, and no. In the bed I felt it. I tried to be chill, just how did I melt it?
Pretty, pretty, come dance with me. Move your body, body, come close to me.
Now we're in Licky Hills. We're taking Paddy, the Irish Paddy, to Licky Hills for a good boy walk.
Back Dog, the movie.
Just right. Oh, we have to walk all the way back up this hill.
Oh no, should we think about that?
Yeah. Should we go back?
Yeah, should we? Let's do it in reverse. Waste niet met je softwood. How's that?
Okay.
Daddy made a nice hairstyle.
Mum did that.
Well, your mum's on the back, but I've done the flower. Let's have a look at you. Drop it. Drop, 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 drop.